everyone, welcome to Uduna in English. I am your host Prem Sirvi and today we are discussing a relatively new entrant in the Indian engineering education space, the Polaris School of Technology means PST located in Bangalore. This institution has been gaining attention recently, particularly because of its unique approach to education, early internships and practical projects based learning. In this review, we will cover all major aspects including academic, campus, placement, mentorship, fees and student life. So let's get started. So the first of all, let's talk about location and campus overview. PST is located in Bangalore, widely regarded as India's tech capital, and this naturally provides students with better exposure to internship, networking and job opportunities. The campus spans approximately 1.75 lakh square feet. While it is not particularly large in comparison to traditional institutions, it is well structured and compact, enabling a focused learning environment. Okay, now let's talk about internship opportunities and innovation culture. One of the standout features of PST is opportunity for students to participate in internships as early as the first year. According to the latest update, 22 companies offer internship to first year students. A few students even secured prestigious opportunities like Google Summer of Code and internships in blockchain and Bitcoin related startup. The institution also supports a startup oriented culture with examples such as student launching a creative business around advertising on water bottle, showcasing a strong entrepreneurship spirit among students. Okay, now let's talk about academic curriculum and degree structure. PST offers a degree in partnership with Madhavi Skills University, which is the UGC recognized, and the academic curriculum is heavily centered around practical learning. In the first year, students work on building their own social media platforms. By the second year, they take on real AI and ML projects such as spam filters and VR-based games. Third year, students develop a recommendation system akin to what platforms like Netflix use. In the final year, students have the option to work on niche technologies like drones and smart home systems. This hands-on approach clearly sets PST apart from traditional theory-based institutions. Now let's talk about industry mentors and placement partners. Another notable aspect of PST is involvement of mentors from leading companies such as Google, Flipkart and Razorpay. This industry experts provide guidance and mentorship to students throughout their academic journey placement-wise, and companies like Zomato, Amazon and Airtel have been involved with the institution, showcasing promising early industry linkage. While still new, the career support ecosystem appears to be rapidly evolving. If we talk about fees structure and scholarship, the total cost of attending PST over 4 years comes to approximately 25 lakhs, and including hostel and mess charging, which can bring the total up to 30 lakhs. This makes PST one of the more expensive private institutions in India. However, they do offer a scholarship especially for early applicants, which can reduce tuition cost by up to 65%. The fee may seem steep, but it appears the institution is trying to justify this through quality mentorship and real world exposure. So if we talk about admission process, the admission process involves an aptitude test that carries 50% weightage, testing mathematics and logical reasoning at class 10th level, and this is followed by an interview 30% and consideration of 12th class marks 20%. The application fee ranges between 500 to 1000 depending on when and how a student applies, and the process is relatively streamlined and does not depend on national level entrance exams like JEE. So if we talk about student reviews, there are many pros and cons. The student feedback about PST has been mixed. On the positive side, students have appreciated the quality of faculty and it focuses on hands-on projects and the vibrant tech culture of Bangalore. On the downside, the campus side is a common concern along with relatively strict rules. Additionally, there is a significant gender ratio imbalance with fewer female students reported around 4:1 in favor of males, which might impact campus diversity and social experience. So in conclusion, the Polaris School of Technology means PST presents provides innovative and hands-on alternative to the conventional engineering education in India. If you are passionate about practical learning, coding and startup, and if you are comfortable investing 25 to 30 lakhs for tech forward education experience in Bangalore, PST is certainly worth exploring. However, it's important to note that unlike legacy institutions like IITs or NITs or PSTs is still in formative years of lakhs and long-standing reputation. Therefore, it may be better suited for students with an entrepreneurship mindset who are willing to take a calculated risk. As always, we recommend visiting the campus and speaking directly to the students and faculty before making the final decision. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. Got questions? Then drop them in the comments below. Until next time, Edunine English signing off. Stay curious and stay informed. Thank you so much for watching.